It's your friendly math tutor here, Miss C, to unlock the magic of finding the point of intersection. So we have two equations written in slope-intercept form. They both have a slope, they both have a y-intercept, and we need to figure out where they intersect or where they meet. So just a point of language, one of the ways that you can ask to find a point of intersection is just like we did here. The other way you might be asked is by just a single word, and that word is solve. So if you ever see a system of equations and it says solve, it means the same thing as finding the point of intersection. You essentially are finding the values of x and y that make both equations true. All right, we are going to solve or find the point of intersection today using the graphing method. So as a reminder, you can find the point of intersection or solve systems of equations in three different ways. You can graph like we're going to do today and figure out where the lines meet. You can use the substitution method, or you can use the elimination method. I have other videos on those, but for today, let's graph. So we're going to take our top equation and we're just going to go ahead and graph this line like we would graph any other line. We start by putting our first point on the y-intercept, which is 5, because that occurs when x equals 0. And now I'm just going to count down 1 and over 2. So I'm plotting my slope. I have another video on that if you want more details on that. So I'm just doing that over and over. And then I'm going to connect my points with a line. And I know it's a line because there's arrows on both ends because it goes on forever. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the second equation. Start by plotting my y-intercept at -2, and then my slope is 2 over 3. That means I go up 2 and I run to the right 3. Sometimes we call this rise over run. So up 2 over 3, that's my first point. That's my second point, and I've noticed that I've already intersected with the other line. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my line here. So to solve this, what I know is that this point is the point at which both of my lines meet or they intersect. So the way that I say that I have solved this or I found the point of intersection, my answer would be this. I know that that is 0.6, +2. And I have successfully found the solution to this point of intersection via graphing. Make sure to sign up to subscribe to my channel so you get all of my math videos as soon as they're released.